Hello teacher, my name is Diễm. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Kiều Diễm. I'm 22 years old. I was born and grew up in Ninh Thuận province. As you know, Ninh Thuận is a place has windy and sunny, so it's very hot. When you come to in Ninh Thuận province, I think besides you can visit some beautiful places such as Vĩnh Hy Bay, Bục Công Gia Lai Tower, Bình Hưng Island, and so on. You can also enjoy some delicious food. For example, seafood, chicken rice, sheep, and bread, and bánh canh, bánh xèo, and but today I would like introduce for you a food very famous in Ninh Thuận, and you shouldn't miss when you come to in Ninh Thuận. That is bánh xèo. Bánh xèo is one of the best famous food in Ninh Thuận. It has around street in Ninh Thuận and it's very cheap. And do you know how to do we make a bánh xèo? The first, you have to prepare some ingredients such as pork, bean sprout, cream, rice flour mixed with water, and then you can enjoy bánh xèo with some fresh vegetables and like dipping fish sauces. So now I will instruction for you the way to make a bánh xèo. Follow me. about bánh xèo. Come Would you like to enjoy bánh xèo? I think if you have a chance to visit Ninh Thuận province, you should eat bánh xèo once time. And I saw that you really like bánh xèo the same as me. And thank you for your listening and watching. Yes, goodbye.